Hello everyone, welcome to the session. Today we are going to discuss an important topic under good laboratory practices, which is laboratory infrastructure and environmental control. Many people focus only on experiments in laboratories, but the laboratory environment itself plays a crucial role in getting accurate and reliable results. So, in this session, we will understand how proper laboratory design and environmental control help maintain quality and safety. By the end of the session, you will understand why laboratory infrastructure is important, how environmental conditions are controlled, what components are needed in a professional laboratory, how infrastructure support GLP compliance, and the importance of contamination and safety control systems. These concepts are very important in biotechnology, pharmaceutical, and research laboratories. First, let us understand what laboratory infrastructure actually means. Laboratory infrastructure is not only about buildings and equipment. It includes the complete setup required for smooth laboratory functioning. For example, laboratory layout, placement of equipment, electricity and water systems, safety facilities, and environmental control systems. A proper infrastructure helps laboratories work safely, effectively, and accordingly to GLP standards. Now, let us see why laboratory infrastructure is important. Suppose laboratory equipment is placed randomly and ventilation is poor, this can increase contamination and reduce accuracy of experiments. Good infrastructure helps to improve workflow, maintain accuracy, reduce contamination, improve safety, and support regulatory compliance. A well-designed laboratory always gives better productivity and reliable scientific results. A professional laboratory contains many important components working together. These include working areas, storage systems, ventilation, lighting, water and electricity supply, waste disposal system, and safety equipment. If even one system fails properly, laboratory operations may be affected. So, every component is important for smooth functioning. Laboratory layout is also very important. A poorly designed laboratory can create confusion and safety risk. A proper laboratory design should provide enough working space, separate clean and contaminated areas, allow smooth movement of personnel and materials, and provide easy access to equipment and safety devices. Good layout planning reduces operational errors and improves efficiency. Environmental control means maintaining proper laboratory conditions. In laboratories, even a small environmental changes can affect experimental results. Important conditions include temperature, humidity, air quality, ventilation, and cleanliness. Continuous environmental monitoring helps maintain consistency and reliability in experiments. Temperature and humidity control are especially important in laboratories handling sensitive samples. If temperature changes suddenly, chemicals may degrade, samples may get damaged, and equipment's performance may reduce. Controlled environmental conditions help maintain experimental stability, contamination control, and reliable data generation. Air quality is another critical factor in laboratory environments. Laboratories may produce hazardous fumes or airborne particles during experiments. Proper ventilation systems help remove harmful gases, maintain clean air circulation, control contamination, and protect laboratory personnel. Systems like HEPA filters, laminar airflow units, and exhaust systems are commonly used in professional laboratories. Cleanliness is one of the core requirements of GLP laboratories. Even a small contamination can affect the entire experiment. To maintain cleanliness, laboratories follow regular cleaning schedules, sterilization procedures, proper waste disposal, restricted entry to sensitive areas, and PPE usage. Clean laboratories reduce variability and improve accuracy of results. Safety systems are essential in every laboratory. Laboratories work with chemicals, biological materials, and hazardous substances, so proper safety arrangements are necessary. Important safety systems include fire safety equipment, emergency exits, first aid systems, biosafety cabinets, chemical storage units, and eye wash stations. These systems protect both laboratory personnel and laboratory operations. Waste management is another important part of laboratory infrastructure. Laboratories generate different types of waste, such as chemical waste, biohazardous waste, and sharp objects. Improper disposal may harm people and the environment. So, laboratories follow proper waste segregation and disposal procedure to maintain safety and regulatory compliance. GLP guidances require laboratories to maintain proper infrastructure standards. This includes suitable laboratory facilities, controlled environments, proper maintenance systems, cleaning documentation, and equipment monitoring records. Infrastructure quality directly affects laboratory performance and reliability of scientific data. Now, let us discuss the benefits of proper environmental control. When laboratories maintain proper conditions, experiments become more accurate, contamination reduces, equipment works better, personnel safety improves, and regulatory compliance become easier. Most importantly, laboratories can produce reliable and reproducible results. So, let us summarize today's session. Today, we discussed laboratory infrastructure, environmental control systems, temperature and air quality management, contamination control, safety systems, waste management, and GLP compliance. Overall, a controlled laboratory environment is essential for quality scientific research. Thank you everyone for watching this session. I hope this video helped you understand the importance of laboratory infrastructure and environmental control in GLP laboratories. If you have any questions, feel free to mention them in the comment section. Thank you.